Welcome back to my channel. Have you ever thought how you can be able to use your phone to gain points and later convert those points to dollars? Stay with me. On this video, I'll be sharing with you how I am able to use my smartphone to farm 4 DePIN projects. If you are a crypto wizard like I am, please stay with me. Don't go anywhere. Smash the like button, subscribe, comment, and tell a friend. Decentralized Physical Infrastructure (DePIN) are cryptocurrency airdrop projects that run on your mobile phone or PC while your mobile data or Wi-Fi is on. Please note, this video is in no way a financial advice. This is just for education and entertainment purpose only. Thank you. On today's topic, I'll be sharing with you step-by-step guide on how you can join the DePIN project using your smartphone. So let's begin. Step number one, you go to your Play Store and search for Mrs. Browser. Mrs. Browser is spelled MISSES. Mrs. Browser. On your Google Chrome, on your Play Store, you go and type Mrs. Browser on your Play Store. Step number 2. Open the Mrs. Browser and copy the extension link provided by the airdrop. Step number 2. Open the Mrs. Browser. Once you install the Mrs. Browser, you open it. Step number 3. Copy the extension provided by the airdrop project. Step number 4. Paste it in the browser search bar. You are going to paste the extension. You copied that is provided for the airdrop project in the browser search bar. That is step number 3. Step number 4. Paste it in the browser search bar. Step number 3. Step number 4. Click the Add Chrome to install the extension. Click the Add Chrome to install the extension. Stage number 5. Click that stage number 4. Stage number 5. Check the marked option in the Mrs. Browser to ensure that the extension is enabled. Mrs. Browser is spelled MISSES. Mrs. Browser. MISSES. Step number 2. You open the Mrs. Browser and install it. Step number 3. You copy the extension link provided by the airdrop project. Step number 4. Paste it in the browser search bar. You paste the copied extension and paste it in the browser search bar. Stage number 4. Click on Add to Chrome to install the extension. Click on Add to Chrome to install the extension. Step number 5. Check the marked option in the Mrs. Browser to ensure the extension is enabled. Step number 5. Step number 6. Step number 6. Copy the airdrop registration link provided by the project. I will drop the registration link of each project in the comment section, or you can check the description box for the project for the link to the project. Step number 6. Step number 6. Open the link and register using your Gmail or Web3 wallet, like normal Web3 wallet like Phantom wallet, MetaMask, Trust wallet, Binance, Trust wallet, any wallet you have, you can use it. Open the link and register using your Gmail or your wallet address. Once you understand this method, you will be able to join any DePIN projects on your own using your smartphone. So the DePIN project I have joined using my phone is one, the BlackMash. This project is strongly supported by Solana blockchain and Solana Web3 Phantom wallet. This BlackMash extension link is in the description or comment section. So check your comment section or the description. You will see the BlackMash extension link. Copy it and open or paste it in the Mrs. browser. Then click on the Add to Chrome option. Also copy the link. Also copy the second link. Also copy the second link to register your account. I will also put the second link in the description below. You will need to install or add Phantom wallet. Please and please let know that you will need to install Phantom wallet. This is because most of the airdrops will be login Phantom wallet and not only the email address. So therefore, for you to log in the Phantom wallet, you go to your search bar in the Mrs. browser and search for Phantom wallet extension. Add to your Google Chrome the Phantom wallet extension and then open it. Create a backup of the seed phrase by writing it down on a paper, and don't forget the password, please. That is for the first project I am currently mining. I am currently farming. Remember, the first project is BlackMash. The second project is MyGate Network. The extension to MyGate Network is in the description below, or you can check the comment section. Also, the registration link, I will put it in the description or the comment section. Please check and register. Make money this year. We must make money. The next one is the Bless Network. Bless Network, the link to the Bless Network is also in the description below, or you can check the comment section. I will put the link to the registration and the extension below. For the last but not the least, the Down Validator. The Down Validator, I will just search in the Mrs. browser, search for Down Validator extension, add it to your Chrome. Once you have done this, you are going to be farming the DePIN Airdrops. For more updates on cryptocurrency, don't forget, comment, share, like, and most importantly, subscribe for more informative content like this. Thank you.